What's going on, guys? This is a tutorial on how to reset your transmission computer on your Acura TL Type S. So first thing you're going to want to do is start the vehicle. Now once you start the vehicle, you're going to want to turn off everything that could be drawing power inside of the vehicle, such as the radio, AC, dome lights, the headlights. And once you think you've got everything turned off, go ahead and shut off the ignition. Now once you shut off the ignition, you're going to put it 2 clicks forward to the accessory mode. And once you have it in the accessory mode, you're going to hold the gas pedal to the floor for 35 seconds with the vehicle in accessory mode. And I'm going to time that out for you guys.
Yavi on the beat.
Alrighty, once you get to 35 seconds, you can go ahead and release the gas pedal and start your Acura. And at this point, your transmission will be reset, and as you drive the vehicle over the next couple days, it will remap itself.